So we're gonna make chicken wings, and we're gonna fry them with corn oil. And the chicken wings are right here. And we're gonna use these sauces: Sweet Baby Ray's. We're trying the sweet teriyaki, Korean, and mango habanero. And we're using these because they're not that expensive, and the flavor is they're delicious. So they're really good quality, and they're perfect to make chicken wings. So we'll come back and show you when we start frying the chicken. Okay, so we are gonna start cooking the wings. The oil is hot, so first we're gonna put them in a container so we can take them to the stove. And later on, I'm also gonna make a video on frying the potato, like French fries, and the air fryer. Okay, so first we're gonna defrost them in the microwave. Chicken wings in the microwave for 4 minutes, just so they can defrost. And then we start frying them. Keep a distance. Keep a distance. You know it's too much oil. So let those boil and cook. That was like about how many? 4? Okay, so slowly we've been adding the rest of the chicken wings. As the oil is cooling off, then it's not gonna be boiling that much anymore. So then we'll just do that, and then we'll clean that, and we'll come back and check on them in a few minutes. So we're here checking on the wings that we're frying in the pot. We have 10 minutes, and if you notice, they're cooking. Maybe we'll leave them more for 10 more minutes. And meanwhile, we have other chicken wings in the microwave, and just defrosting them so we can put another batch. Okay, so we're checking on the wings. They look a little bit crispy, but I think we need to heat them up a little bit more and fry them a little bit longer, and then we'll come back and check it. Okay, so they look nice and brown, and so we're gonna take them out, and then we're gonna dress them with the sauce, the barbecue sauce.
Check the temperature first.
So we're gonna check the temperature. Now, if you wanna see a healthier option on making chicken wings, you can always see my other video, that the one where I made the chicken wings on
It should be at 165. Easy.
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yes, they're cooked.
Yeah.
So yeah, if you want to see another healthier option, you could just watch my other video where I made the chicken wings in the air fryer. So again, we put them in a bowl with the sauce. Pour the sauce over it. And mix well. Now, if you compare them with these are the ones that we made on the air fryer, and these are the ones that we made in the pan with oil. So
They really don't look that different.
No, they don't.
They don't look different.
You don't want to put them in another one? So, well, okay, we'll put them in this.
Same flavor.
Okay. Thank you for watching. Enjoy.